Hello everyone, my name is Rutch Johnson, and let's talk about abilities in Unity and how I overcame this potential spaghetti mess of code. It's hard to come across a fun and quick strategy game on mobile these days. One of my all-time favorites was Pokemon Duel, and unfortunately, it's no longer available. So, of course, I had to go out and build my own. Making these types of games can be a huge undertaking, and I'm always one to start creating a new game that is way over my head and I eventually succumb to defeat because of the scope creep. Well, this is no different, unfortunately. It's not a published game, but I did complete one of my main objectives to figure out how to make an interchangeable ability system. Let's take a look. Games like Pokemon Duel feature a ton of characters with a range of attacks and abilities, and honestly that's what makes the game a lot of fun to play. When it came to my game, I didn't want to get caught up in the endless code whenever adding in new abilities. Instead, I made abilities and attacks stand on their own with the help of Scriptable Objects. To create a new monster, all I had to do was drag and drop. Like I mentioned earlier, what enables this sort of drag and drop feature is the Scriptable Object extension. Since the class ability extends Scriptable Object, I can now edit anything that extends ability in the inspector window. By overriding on after first spin in the code, I can gain access to when that method triggers within the game. In this case, I can trigger an ability after the first spin when two monsters engage in battle. This could be helpful in giving the monster with the ability an extra damage boost to win the battle. This way of coding abilities helps make customizing new monsters more compartmentalized. I can create a script, call it what I want, and make sure it extends ability. After this, I can override any method on the ability script and code exactly the feature I want. It's super powerful and enables so much organized customization. Well, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a comment below and let me know what you are doing with abilities in Unity.